Hi, my name's Lee, and today I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Verify app and show its key features. So let's get started. Let's start with checking a single claim. To do that, I type in or paste my claim into the input box and click fact check this claim. That's it. The system goes away, does some fact checking and comes back with the result. Here we can see giving landlord tax breaks will drive down rents in New Zealand is false. Here's the analysis to support that verification and the sources that also support that verification. And we can take these results and copy them to our clipboard in a format that is easy to share on most social media sites. But what if we wanted to do more than that? What if we wanted to fact check a post, an email, a report? Let's see how to do that. Here's a social media post that I think could be a little bit misleading. What I need to do is copy the text, paste it in, and click verify this now. And the application will go away, do the fact checking and additional content analysis. And here are the results. We have a fact accuracy of 58%, trustworthiness of 40%, and a deception risk of 60%. These indicators are not good, so let's look a little bit deeper. This provides an overall summary of the analysis in a title and paragraph format. In addition, it gives a breakdown of the claim and their verification statuses. Let's have a look at the claims in more depth. In the Claims tab, we can see all the claims and the result of their verification test. We get the analysis and the sources to support that analysis. Claims can also be filtered. In the Analysis tab, this is a high-level analysis of the content looking at key indicators that might be of interest. In this case, political bias is very right-wing leaning, and the main motivation is to be persuasive, the sentiment is defiant, and the tone is aggressive. If we look at the Deception tab, we can see that deception risk is moderate, with the key indicators of deception being aggressive framing and emotional appeals, seen here, and omission risk, the likelihood that important information is being. Let's look at the possible motivations that the author might have had in creating this content. Click on the Motivation tab, we can see that the primary motivation was to be persuasive and informational. However, when we look at the intent, we can see that manipulation scores very high. If we look at the target audience, we see that the main demographic was supporters of Donald Trump and a conservative audience. The political alignment is right-leaning, and the emotional state is defensive and rallying. The rhetorical strategies that have been used in this content is to appeal to emotion and to demonize the opponents. Finally, we have the Personality tab, which gives you some insight into the personalities of the author, with this one showing a high degree of extroversion. Finally, we might want to share these results, and we can do that by clicking on the Share These Results buttons, where our results are presented in a way that is suitable for most social media. In addition to that, we can click on the Generate AI Articles tab, and this will generate AI articles in a format and style that we select, from investigative to mythbuster. All you have to do is select the style you want and click Generate Article. The system will then go away and generate an article in that style and format, which you can also post to social media.